go again. Special Marine warning.
Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida. 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, or 23 nautical miles south of Mary Esther, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Okaloosa Deepwater Reef. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. This is no weather radar.
Wow.